This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete all your web browser history. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go to your web browser, Safari in this case, and now when I click here it shows me all my history of what I searched, and right to the top it shows me all the history. I can actually clear the history, but that will start to remove saved passwords and usernames, but I don't want that. So we can go to the search box in Google and type in web history. Click on this and now go to myactivity.google.com. So click on this and we can actually delete activity by all time, and now yes, all products, just all time. We don't need to pick a specific date. If you would like to pick a specific date, then you can. You have the ability to choose dates and times, but we'll just do delete. And yes, don't show this again. Delete. So now if we go back, all our activity and history has been deleted from Google. However, we can go up to history and now go to show all history. And now if we want this deleted too, we can click on this, do Command A, and now just delete everything and all the history goes. Click on it again, Command A, and delete. So all the history has been gone. So if I go back to Google, you can see that I was still signed in, so it did not delete all the cookies, saved passwords. So if I close out of this, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.